Alright, so guys, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has the world's toughest glass that has even been used on a phone called the Gorilla Glass Victus, which the successor to the Gorilla Glass 6. This glass can not only resist a 2-meter drop compared to 1.6 meters of the Gorilla Glass 6, but also the first in 6 years to meaningfully improve your phone's ability to shrug off nasty scratches. To be specific, it has twice the scratch resistance of the Gorilla Glass 6. That sounds great on paper, but in reality, judging from the past, these Corning glasses have not exactly performed like what Corning promised they would. But that is not the case with the Gorilla Glass Victus because as per Buff's drop test, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra totally destroyed Apple's top dog, the iPhone 11 Pro. The full video is in the description box below, do check that out. That being said, the first test is a backdrop test. Keeping in mind that dropping a phone on its back is usually worse than the front because of the camera hump as it offsets the contact point. As a result, the phone doesn't drop flat on a surface but instead creates weak points, and that's exactly what we see on both the Note 20 Ultra and iPhone 11 Pro, but the condition is miles better than the iPhone. The second test is a corner drop test. Usually phones get dropped on their corners a lot, and both Samsung and Apple have done a great job here. Both survive without much damage. Finally, the front, the iPhone 11 Pro's display shattered in the first drop itself, but the Note 20 Ultra totally destroyed the iPhone 11 Pro in the test. Not only it survived the first face drop test, but continued to do so for the next 10 rounds. iPhone 11 Pro on the other hand is totally shattered with glass pieces coming out, even losing the camera functionality. Either way, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.